How you doing, friend? So that's all site one. I'm gonna make site 2 pop.
In this year's I.CARE Trash Derby, we have over 600 divers today and tomorrow cleaning up our reef, pulling out debris for the betterment of our ocean. We even have about 200 people scouring the shoreline from Key Largo to Key West. Keeping our ocean and our coral reefs clean keeps the area free of debris so that corals, as they spawn, their larvae have a place to settle. If it's taken up by debris, they have no place, and it's vital that we give them a fighting chance.
So it's important to make a little bit of a difference. You may not be able to change the world, but if you can improve just your little corner of it, if everybody did that, it would be hugely impactful. We found a lot of anchors today, as well as ropes, and fishing line and fishing lures, and a lot of fishing rods as well.